Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a strategy that made me over $7,000 this week, trading only 2 trades this week. And I'm gonna go in detail on how I found those trades, what strategy I use, so you guys can do exactly like I do. These are the trades that I'm talking about, guys, right here. We made over $7,200 on these trades. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's show you guys the strategy I use. All right, guys, let's get into the strategy in this video right here. So very simple. The indicator we're using on our charts is called Elite Algo. Let me show you guys exactly what it is, what it does real quick here. So this is the indicator called Elite Algo version 8. Hit the settings icon. This is what the settings page looks like for this algorithm. So what this does is it does a lot of things for you. It gives you these buy and sell signals directly on your charts. It also prints supply and demand levels, as you guys can see right here, these little order blocks. It gives you update on the trend with this trend cloud right here. It's called the Apple Cloud, but tells you whether the price is range is bullish or bearish. So really, it's like a toolkit that makes it extremely easy for you guys to trade in the markets. If you guys want to use this indicator and you don't have access to it yet, I'll show you guys at the end of the video how you guys can get it because it's not available in the public library, so you won't find it if you just search for it in TradingView. But I'll show you guys how you can get it at the end of the video, so don't worry about that. Okay, so for the actual strategy that I'm using in most of my trades, I'm using the trend trading strategy or the order block strategy. And I'll explain the difference between both of them in just a second. But first, let's start with the trend trading strategy. So what does that entail? How do I trade this strategy? It's very simple. So you can pick any time frame that you like. Just understand that if you're scalping the 3 minute, 5 minute charts, then what you want to do is simply go back into the higher time frames like the 4 hour or the daily, and you want to confirm a couple things, which I'll show you guys in a second. But normally, typically, I trade the 31 hour and 4 hour time frames, but you can use this strategy on any time frame. So right now, this is a trade that I took that made me over $4,900 on USD JPY. And I'm gonna show you guys the same exact trade I took and why I took it and why it falls into this strategy right here. So very simple. What we did is simply just waited for a buy signal to appear. Once that buy signal appeared on our charts in real time, guys, what we want to do is we want to make sure that the echo cloud, this green little cloud that we see right here, is green as well. This gives us confirmation that right now the price is very bullish. So hopping on a buy signal is more likely to make us a lot of money. So what we want to do is make sure that this doesn't happen to us right here where we get a sell and then the price just goes all the way up. This is why we're trading with the trend, guys. It's very important to trade the trend. It will increase your win rate tremendously just by doing that small little thing, okay? The next thing I looked for on this trade, guys, is very simple. I looked for the trend sniper line to turn green. So the trend sniper line is like the Echo Cloud, but it's a faster reacting line to the price that's currently happening on the chart, guys. So we can see that it turned green, telling us that the price started to turn bullish. The price started to turn bullish on the short term, which gives us a confirmation as we can see right here. So we have the Echo Cloud being green, the trend sniper being green. This is great. Second, guys, we see that an order block was printed right here at the bottom. This is giving us confirmation that we have a bullish order block and a lot of people are buying on this area. We can see this because the order block right over here is primarily bullish, guys. So we had the two confirmations that we needed. We had the Echo Cloud, we had the Trend Sniper. So now we can go ahead and take that buy signal. And then for the buy signal, what we simply did just had a stop loss underneath the last swing low, which is right over here. And to take profit, we just targeted the last high, guys, which is right there. Very simple. We took this trade, we made a lot of money on this trade, and we're very happy with this trade. That's how easy it is to trade with this strategy. Now for the second trade that I took it trading the order block strategy. Let me show you guys the trade I took and show you guys exactly what happened there. Okay, so here's a trade I took for the second one that made me over $2,300, guys. Very simple. So for this strategy, it's a little bit different, but what we want to see is we want to see a retest off of a previous order block, guys. So we see that the price created an order block right over here. Then they went back up and started creating patterns inside this range. We can see that the price stayed mostly, guys, in between this little range right here. Give me 1 second. We can see the price mostly stayed, guys, within this range right there. So we understand that the price is most likely going to probably go back into there. And we can see that the price came out, broke out, and then eventually came back and touched our order block and then gave us a couple buy signals. So we saw that we got a buy signal right over here after we touched the order block and over here after we touched the order block. This one I would not have traded because it's not trading with this trend. So the Echo Cloud is completely red here, and also the trend sniper line was also red at the time of this signal. So I would not have taken this buy signal because it doesn't fall into our criteria. But this one we could have touched and taken because it hit the order block, and then the trend sniper line was green, as we can see. And this one as well, the same thing happened here, which is the one that we actually end up finding in the market, the one we saw when we looked at the charts and ended up taking ourselves. So simply, guys, what we did is wait for the price to come back down, retest into this order block, give us a buy signal, and the trend sniper line was green here. This gives us two confirmations that we want. Again, we always want to trade with two confirmations. That's the biggest thing. If you guys can get four confirmations, that's even better. But what we want to have is at least two confirmations for these trades, guys, and we want to understand how the market moves. This is very important. So that's pretty much it, guys. We took this trade. It would hit our take profit right here at 53 pips. And that's exactly what happened with this trade. That's how we made money on this trade. So if you guys want to use this strategy, you guys want to try it for yourselves and really start to be good traders in the markets, especially if you're struggling right now. This is an indicator that was created to help beginner traders and then intermediate traders learn exactly how to trade, when to place your orders, when to exit the orders. It kind of removes a lot of the emotional stress when it comes to trading. So I told you guys earlier in the video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you guys can get this on TradingView. As you can see, guys, it's not available in the public library. We typed in Elite Signals version 28 and it's not gonna be there. That's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you guys can get it on TradingView so you guys can start using it today. So what you wanna do is very simple. You simply just wanna go on our website right here, elitesignals.com, and simply just sign up for access. Once you sign up for access, you're gonna get access to the indicator on our TradingView, so you guys can use it every single day if you guys like. Follow these signals, follow these strategies. There's gonna be a lot of people doing exactly what you do if you're using this strategy here. And the best part, guys, is it also comes included with our community. We have over 50,000 people, guys, as you can see here, 52,000 people in this Discord, and they're all using this strategy. They're all trading with this strategy. They're all showing you guys exactly what they did, their trades, how they're learning, and give you advice as well. And not only that, guys, we also have people showing us the profits, all that stuff. For example, this guy right here made $1,100 on his trade, then made $92. Amazing. This guy made 86% on one trade. This guy's up $450 on one trade. And you can see this and you can ask some questions, all that good stuff. But not only that, we also have professional traders giving you trades that they are taking inside the markets. So for example, this is one of our Forex analysts right here, guys, and he is telling you exactly what to trade, when to trade, and all that stuff. And as you can see, their take profits are always hitting. Take profit 2 hit for 60 pips. So if you would have followed this guy's signal, you would have made an easy 60 pips on your account right there. And we have 7 Forex analysts, 6 crypto and options analysts, and that's pretty good, guys. So you guys will have signals every single day from these professional traders. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about the algorithm, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys would like to see me create a certain type of video or trade this on a certain type of charts, leave them down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer it and check out your recommendations. And that's pretty much it, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have yourselves a good day.